Welcome back to our channel. This is more than an SUV. This is the Range Rover Sport. It is an assertive evolution of a British icon, combining dramatic modernity with instinctive performance. For over a decade, the Sport has defined the luxury performance segment, and this latest generation takes that sporting luxury to an entirely new level. It is a vehicle of breathtaking desirability, designed for those who demand both exhilarating on-road capability and peerless refinement. The design philosophy is one of reductive modernism. Every line, every surface is taut and clean, creating a powerful, muscular stance. Its unmistakable profile features a fast-angled windscreen, a rising waistline, and minimal overhangs that communicate pure agility. The flush door handles and the uninterrupted hidden-until-lit taillight graphic emphasize a milled-from-solid aesthetic. Up front, slim digital LED headlights are flawlessly integrated, giving the vehicle a purposeful, confident attitude. Available 23-inch wheels, crafted from lightweight alloys, complete the powerful road presence, while optional features like the satin paint protection film offer unique aesthetic finishes. Under the sculpted bonnet, a suite of electrified powertrains delivers uncompromising power. Options range from the advanced 6-cylinder, mild hybrid Ingenium petrol and diesel engines to the extended-range electric hybrid, PHEV, which offers significant pure electric driving range and rapid DC charging capability. At the pinnacle sites the high-performance twin-turbo V8. This engine can propel the Range Rover Sport from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 4.3 seconds, delivering immediate responsive torque. The secret to its dynamic prowess lies in the cutting-edge chassis technology. The Dynamic Response Pro system provides electronic active roll control, applying up to 1,400 Newton-meters of torque across each axle to dramatically reduce body roll through corners. This works in harmony with the dynamic air suspension, which features switchable volume air springs for both ultimate composure and dynamic control. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic. Step inside and you enter a sophisticated, technology-rich environment. The cockpit-like feel is centered around the driver's command driving position. Premium materials abound, with choices including tactile Windsor leather and innovative, sustainable ultra-fabric textiles. The cabin is a sanctuary, thanks to next-generation active noise cancellation, which helps eliminate road and engine sound. Central to the experience is the 13.1-inch curved PHEV Pro infotainment touchscreen. This intuitive system is standard and features integrated Amazon Alexa Voice AI, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. For ultimate passenger comfort, a powerful Meridian Signature sound system provides an immersive, high-fidelity audio experience. The Range Rover Sport is engineered to conquer all terrain, not just the road. Features like Terrain Response 2 and all-wheel drive ensure confidence in any condition, solidifying its place as the luxury SUV that never compromises capability for comfort. Targeted at the driver who values a dynamic experience without sacrificing luxury or technology, the Range Rover Sport is the ultimate combination of sporting attitude, supreme comfort, and modern sophistication. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.